In the previous video, we have been able to look at the matrix multiplication, the 2 by 2 matrix multiplication and 3 by 3 matrix multiplication. It's going to be of interest if we can look at the inverse of matrix as well. Let's try and look at the inverse of this matrix A. Inverse of matrix A using Microsoft Excel. So how do we determine the inverse of this matrix A? It's easy. We just need to use the function in Microsoft Excel equals if M inverse, matrix inverse. I will highlight and I'll press Shift Control Enter. So this is the inverse of this matrix. What about for this matrix P? Let's do that for matrix P as well. I want to copy. So I want to do for the matrix B, I'm going to highlight where the result should be, equals M inverse, which is the matrix inverse. I will highlight on everything and I'll press Shift Control Enter and you can see the result. What if I want to find the inverse of matrix AB? The inverse of the matrix AB. So the inverse of matrix AB will give us our highlight equals M inverse. The AB is here already. Shift Control Enter. So we can do the same thing for the matrix BA. So in this video we have been able to look at how to determine the inverse of a matrix. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to get notified for more videos. Bye for now.